Arjun's story, a heart that never stopped loving. Not every dog gets the happy beginning they deserve. Some are abandoned, neglected, and left wondering why the people they trusted disappeared. Arjun was one of those dogs. When he was rescued, Arjun carried more than physical scars. His heart had been broken by the family that left him behind. Yet, despite everything he had endured, he never stopped believing that kindness still existed. A compassionate rescuer welcomed Arjun into her home as a foster dog. She gave him a warm bed, nutritious food, gentle care, and, most importantly, the love he had been missing for so long. Day after day, she patiently helped him heal, proving that not every human would let him down. Slowly, Arjun began to change. His fearful eyes became brighter. His tail started wagging again, and he learned that he was finally safe. He loved being close to his foster mom, following her around the house and enjoying every moment of affection. Watching him recover was a beautiful reminder that love can heal even the deepest wounds. Although Arjun is now living a happy and safe life with his rescuer, he's still waiting for one special thing, a forever family to call his own. His foster mom believes with all her heart that somewhere out there is a family who will love him unconditionally for the rest of his life. Arjun's story reminds us that rescued dogs don't need perfect lives. They only need someone willing to love them. Every adoption gives an abandoned animal a second chance, and every act of kindness can change a life forever. If Arjun's story touched your heart, please support animal rescues, choose adoption, and help give more homeless dogs the loving homes they deserve.
Hi, my love. Hi, my love. Hi. Good morning. Good morning. Okay. Yes, my love. Come. Come here, come here. Come. Babu, upat. Upal. Good boy, good boy, good boy. Aram sa. Good boy. Good boy, my love. Good boy, my love. Hi. Good morning. Good morning. Yes, Arjun.
Arjun.
Hi, Cuckoo. Hi, Cuckoo. Arjun. 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 Finished, Babu. Hi, Cuckoo. Hi, Cuckoo.
It's gone crazy. Very, very crazy. Ah!